Inherited a legacy. Visual C++ project with a VCW Workspace file. This is an older Microsoft development environment workspace from before Solution Files. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you migrate and open these Visual C++ Workspace files in modern Visual Studio. I'm saving the most versatile part for last. We're going to rely on one simple but powerful VCW file inspection tool that is capable of reading and repairing hundreds of file types. A user typically finds a VCW file when dealing with older C++ projects created in Visual C++ versions 4 to 6. Their goal is to open the entire collection of related projects, e.g. an executable and its DLLs, contained within the workspace to compile or modify the legacy source code. The VCW file is a text-based settings file that acts as a container for one or more Visual C++ project VCP files. It was designed to manage multi-project solutions, storing references, and build configurations. Its simple text structure made it easy for the IDE to parse and for developers to version control. The VCW format is inextricably linked to the application Microsoft Visual Studio from Microsoft Corporation. This file type demands a dedicated, niche application for proper interpretation and manipulation. Windows can sometimes show configuration files as text, but editing them requires caution. Time to see which installed program links the file. Right-click the VCW file and select Open With. Test Microsoft Visual Studio if you see it. If it is missing, select any other program and keep checking until the file opens. If your VCW file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Because your VCW file is still failing to open, the issue is contained within 3 basic categories. Review this checklist now for the common causes and their solutions. First, opening in Visual C++ 6. Install Visual C++ 6.0 or use a virtual machine with the legacy environment to open VCW files natively. Launch Developer Studio and use File then Open Workspace to load the VCW file. The IDE displays all included projects allowing you to build and debug the legacy C++ codebase. Next, migrating to modern Visual Studio. Open Visual Studio 2022 or newer and use the Upgrade Wizard to convert legacy VCW Workspace files to current SLN solution format. Visual Studio analyzes the workspace and project files, generating equivalent solution structures. Review and address compiler warnings and deprecated API usage after conversion. Finally, manual project recreation. If automatic conversion fails, examine the VCW file in a hex editor to identify referenced DSP project files. Create a new Visual Studio solution and add each project manually using File then Add Existing Project. Configure dependencies and build order to match the original Visual C++ workspace structure. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.